What's up guys, it's Daniel here with 10X Dynamic Customs. So today we're going to be going over the first 5 mods on our 2021 Chevy Blazer RS. These are not my recommended first 5, but they are also not the top 5 that I recommend. They're just the first 5 that I chose to do on this Blazer. So the first modification I did was a steering wheel cover. I got this off of Amazon. It's got some grip right here. I like it. Matches the car. These things are usually pretty hard to install. This one was nowhere near as hard to install as my F-150 was. So the second modification that I did to the 2021 Blazer was I changed the valve stem caps. And as you can see, this one's upside down right now, but they say RS on them. They're metal, black with the red RS. And those are just a cheap mod that you can do. Don't cost very much, easy to do. Also on the newer vehicles, these normally come green, and with the race red paint, I just thought the green didn't look right. So I had to get some new ones. Some vehicles come with black ones and those don't look as bad. So for the third modification, we will go back to the interior of the car, and it is these red non-slip foot pedals. They're dirty right now, but they're gonna get dirty because they're foot pedals. They're super easy to install. You can see this flap right here. The old ones had little flaps that just pulled off, and those just fit right back on. This is another one that I'll have an install video for. So our fourth modification was these rain guards. These are the ABS rain guards. I ordered them off Amazon. They're pretty easy to install. The top of it just sticks on there. Just peel the tape off and it sticks right on there. You do have to make sure that these right here and right here are lined up, or they will catch when you open the door. So I actually had to take both of these and the same ones on the other side off and redo them when I was doing it. So don't make the same mistake I did. So last but certainly not least, our fifth modification is you can't even see them right now, which I love. I don't think you can, at least. Is these reflector replacements right here. They are LED and they're smoked tinted, so you can barely see them, especially at night. You can't see them at all. You can see them a lot better now that I've pointed them out. So let me turn them on and I'll show you what they look like. And this is what they look like on. I love these. They were like $50 or $60 on Amazon. They were pretty easy to install. You just had to pop the hood and go down through right here, pop the other ones out, plug it in, snap it back in. You can also take these out and go in this way, but I didn't even try that. I figured that would be much harder. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more about this Blazer and possibly that F-150 over there, then like and subscribe,